Earning rewards, the Little Red Hen's tale. In a cozy farmyard lived a diligent little red hen. She was known for her tireless work ethic and caring nature, always bustling about with various tasks to keep the farm running smoothly. One bright morning, the little red hen stumbled upon some golden wheat seeds. She clucked with excitement at the thought of fresh bread, but she knew she couldn't do it alone. Gathering her friends, the lazy dog, the sleepy cat, and the noisy duck, she asked, "Who will help me plant these seeds?" Each one declined, preferring their leisure activities to hard work. Determined, the little red hen planted the seeds herself. She watered them day by day, watching as they sprouted and reached for the sun. Her friends watched, but did not offer help. As the wheat grew tall and golden, the little red hen knew it was time to harvest. Once again, she asked her friends, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" They all refused, making excuses. Undeterred, the little red hen cut the wheat herself. She bundled it and carried it to the mill to be ground into flour. Her friends continued their idleness, unaware of the lesson unfolding. With flour in hand, the little red hen returned to the farm. She asked, "Who will help me bake the bread?" Again, her friends refused, preferring their own comforts over the effort. The little red hen kneaded the dough, letting it rise, and finally baked it into delicious golden loaves. The warm, inviting smell filled the farmyard, drawing her friends closer. When the bread was ready, the little red hen laid it out on the table. Her friends gathered eagerly, their mouths watering, but the hen had a lesson to impart. "Who will help me eat this bread?" she asked, looking at each one. The lazy dog, the sleepy cat, and the noisy duck all wanted a piece, but the little red hen shook her head. "You did not help plant the seeds, cut the wheat, or bake the bread," she said. "So I will eat it myself." And with that, she enjoyed the fruits of her labor, savoring every bite. Her friends watched, feeling a mixture of hunger and regret. They realized the importance of contributing and working hard for their rewards. The little red hen's lesson was clear. From that day on, the lazy dog, the sleepy cat, and the noisy duck joined in the work. They planted, harvested, and baked together, sharing the rewards of their combined efforts. The Little Red Hen's story spread throughout the farm. It wasn't just about bread. It was about teamwork, responsibility, and the satisfaction that comes from earning your way. In the end, the Little Red Hen and her friends enjoyed many more loaves together, each one a reminder of the value of hard work and cooperation. The farm thrived, and so did their friendships. Please subscribe to my channel